Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Code reviews are important. It's our last line of defense. This is the last chance we get in order to spot a problem before it goes into the wild. Whether it's going to be a bug hiding in the bushes or in plain sight, or maybe something that will slow us later. This is the chance to get it. And of course, where everyone should put their bases. Code reviews are great, and that's why everybody loves them. Well, almost everyone. And because everybody loves them so much, we do with them what we do with everything that we love. Give them the tech treatment. We can automate code reviews now. Part of the process can be automated with linters or static code analysis. For the rest, though, we need a human. But instead of disturbing a great team leader while she's working on the next big technical mystery, we'd ask her to pull our code and review it when it's convenient for her. Until at least she comes back to us with feedback, probably in an email. Then, when it's convenient for us, we'll work on the feedback, put in the fixes, and release this code to freedom. Nobody's bothering anybody. Everybody is working on their own time. Bliss. We even got a short term for that. We call it pull request. It's not what a real pull request is, but when you say pull request, they understand code review immediately. There are a couple little snags in this solution. First of all, it's the road to done. It gets longer. You put in a lot of wait states in this process, so everything gets delayed until everything is actually done. Next, there's no learning. Learning is done through dialogue, discussion, sometimes even arguments. But since we separated both writer and reviewer and sent them to separate corners, there is no discussion between them, and therefore not much learning. Remember, we said that code reviews are supposed to improve quality. This kind of process does not improve quality, sometimes it even hurts it. Because of the delay, when it does become convenient for the team leader to go over the code, does she go over all the details that she needs to go over? Probably not, because she has other tasks to do. She knows that the review is important. She knows that we're waiting for her feedback to do fixes, merge the code, and deliver it. But on the other hand, it gets almost to 8 p.m. and she wants to go home. So how well would she review it? She'll go over the superficial stuff, the easy-to-find stuff. Hopefully, she'll go over the important stuff. Code reviewed like that will not improve much. Now, let's talk about us. When we review the code, it's been 3 weeks since we last saw it. We don't remember much about it, except how much we were relieved to give it away for review. So, we consider the feedback, fix the easy stuff. If we have tests, maybe the important stuff. Otherwise, it's risky and we don't want to break anything. Then we merge and deliver it. The more delays we have in the process, the less improved the code will be. Also, because we like our team lead, we batch a lot of code together, then we give it to her to review everything all at once. She thinks that it's nice too, but then she looks at all the code she needs to review. It's already 7:59. Not much good will come out of that. So what's the best way to do code reviews? Sit together, discuss, argue, and do it a couple of times a day. Wait. Listen to me. Think about it. How much code can you write in 2 or 3 hours? Now, think about this. How much time do you need to review all this code? Not a lot. Enough to warrant, hey, team lead, can you look at my code and see if we are on the right path? These couple of minutes, a couple of times a day, speed things up. You don't need to schedule a meeting for the review a week up front. And if you want to improve group learning, bother your teammates, not just the almighty team leader. But if you want to get rid completely of code reviews, there's a sneakier way. It's called pair programming. Sometimes it gets called extreme programming, but again, that's not the original term, and that's a fight for another day. The reason it works is because when 2 people are working on the same code, discuss it, and learn from it, they review the code, and then they sign off on it, and then they say it's done, and then they move to other tasks because the task is really done. Just don't do it at 8 p.m. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, the subscribe, leave some comments down below, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.